Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first part of the intro video for the very first lesson for Math 8. So I'm going to just let you know a little bit about the weird numbers that you see on the screen right here, and a little bit about the materials that we're going to be using moving forward. The textbook that we're using right here is Core Connections, Course 3. It's the one that has the green on the bottom right here, and these wonderful children playing with blocks. There are 10 chapters in this book. And I want to give you a little bit of information about what these numbers right here mean. There's 3 numbers in every lesson for this. The first number refers to the chapter that we're on. So as you can see, we're in chapter 1, right? The second refers to the section. And then within each section, there's a different number of lessons. So this is all chapter 1. There are 2 sections in chapter 1. And there are 4 lessons in the first section, and then 2 lessons in the second. So that's a little bit about the numbering system. You'll notice that numbering system goes along with the homework. It goes along with the textbook. It goes along with the calendar that I have online. So just explaining that a little bit to you. So when I say, 1.2.1, you know that I'm talking chapter 1, section 2, lesson 1. The next thing that I want you to know is what materials you're going to need in order to do these lessons. The first thing that everybody's going to need is a pencil. You're going to need a pencil for sure. And mine even has my name on it, which is pretty exciting. So, pencil, check. Second thing that you need is you're going to need something to do work, to write notes, and to complete things in. And you have really 2 basic options. The first option is if you feel like and you have the ability to get to the school, we have these toolkits, which are basically just pre-made notebooks for you that kind of go with some of the topics that are in the book. You can come pick one of these up from school. It's not completely necessary, but it is a nice, easy way to keep everything all in one place. So, good option. Another good option is to just have a completely math-dedicated spiral or composition booklets. Okay? You don't want to have just a binder with a whole bunch of pieces of paper in it, because then they get torn, they break, they get lost, and everything just sort of gets mixed up and it ends up being chaos. And chaos is not what you want right now. So getting a math-only notebook, okay, dedicated to nothing but math. That way you can do your work in it, you can do your homework in it, and it keeps it all together in one place. Spiral bound is okay. If you happen to get the composition books, which are the ones that are like sewn and tied together, kind of like how this one is, okay, where it's all nice and flat, okay, then that's another good option.